Hi everyone, we're going to make a Mexican dish called Chilaquiles. I hope that you're going to enjoy it, and you can have it for breakfast with beans and rice. There will be a different video in regards to how to prepare the refried beans and the rice that we add to the chilaquiles today. But I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you enjoy making it as well. Do subscribe and like my video, and make a comment down below. Okay, so let's get cooking, shall we? To prepare the chilaquiles, you need 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, 2 dry chilies, salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and however many you want of tortilla crisps. To put on top, you want some grated cheese and some Greek yogurt. Cut the tomatoes, onion and garlic and de-seed the chilies. Add your cumin, black pepper and salt. Put some boiling water in the pan, and you'll see how much you need there. You'll want to boil these for 10 minutes. Look at those refried beans going. Blend up your fruit or vegetables. The salsa into the pan and squish down with a spoon so that you have the most liquid as you can out of it. With the chilaquiles, it's so nice to have refried beans, but also rice with it. And yeah, this is served for breakfast, so enjoy. Looks delicious. Sprinkle your grated cheese to however you like. You can add some Greek yogurt. And as the Mexicans say, buen provecho. And if you like this recipe and other recipes, then please do click subscribe and like and share my videos.